Hi everyone, my name is Madison Taylor, and in this video today I want to be reviewing probably my most used travel bag, which is the Longchamp Le Pliage bag. I know I probably butchered that name, but this bag over here I've had since 2016, 2017. I want to give you my full and honest review, what it fits, how I use it, how it's held up over the years, because I saw a lot of videos online, but people are showcasing pretty much brand new bags, but I really want to give you my honest opinion about how this bag is held up, especially over the years, and why it is a good investment for you. And I apologize for the lighting and maybe some background noise. It is pouring outside right now. It's been thundering and lightning all week, so I had to turn on extra lights just to make it so you guys can see in the room over here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the review. So my Longchamp bag over here, this is in the olive color with the round handles over here. Now what's unique about this bag, it actually is completely packable and foldable. Like this bag over here, you could pack up, and when you originally bought it, it comes in that kind of like paper triangular shape over here, but because of how I store it, I just keep it in the full form over here. But it is a great storage bag, especially if you're going on like a long travel, maybe to Europe, and you really want a carry-all bag that could fit everything. I would highly recommend you go ahead and purchase this bag. It's under $200. Again, this is 2016, 2017. I think I paid like 100 and 150, 170 at the time. They might have gone up in price, but I know if you honestly go to like TJ Maxx, Marshall, sometimes you can find these bags on sale or like an off-price Saks or Neiman's or whatever it is. But this is a fantastic bag to go ahead and get. So in terms of just the details, this is kind of this canvas nylon over here with the leather straps. It's got leather straps, leather over here, leather of course over here, but everything else, including the bottom, is all that same kind of nylon material that you would find on any of the bags. Let's go ahead and talk about durability and washability. So again, a lot of these bags that I've seen online, they're showcasing them brand new. This bag is not brand new by any which means. It has been through the ringer over here. I will say this, the outside of the bag has held up incredibly well for what I've done to it, like travel on airplanes. And again, I use it as a work bag, so I was using this daily. It has held up incredibly well. Now there are some wear and tear that you will definitely notice on the bag, and that is completely on me. But again, this is to show you how well this bag holds up. And there's going to be wear and tear, of course, if you wear it as an everyday bag. But the one thing I will say about this is it is washable. You can actually wash this bag. I think I've accidentally stained stuff on this a couple of times, spilled coffee, got head mark, whatever it is, and you can actually just get a little bit of soap and water and just wash it off. And then what I do, especially on the interior, if something spills, is I'll just wash it with like a nice cloth, make sure the stain gets off, and I'll hang it to air dry, and I've never had a problem with that. And you can see the interior is held up relatively well over here. You can't obviously throw this in like a washer or anything like that because the leather and the metallic charm over here, you never want to do that, but a nice little washcloth will pretty much take out any stain. The one thing about this bag is, of course, just natural wear and tear, but the corners do start to wear out over time because of the pointiness of the bag. Like pretty much every single corner I have has had, it's got a little hole in it, and that's just again natural wear and tear. You can see where this is coming out at. And you even on the bottom and interior, I know it's going to be a little bit hard to see on the camera, but you can tell there's little holes in the bag. Again, this is natural wear and tear. I'm not expecting this bag to be perfect after 7, 8 years or however long it's been for the bag. But I will say this, although it's, got the corners over here, it's got a little bit of pilling on the fabric over here. But again, it's held up incredibly well, and the quality for the price cannot be beat too. This is a great all kind of used canvas bag. You can travel with it, you can do whatever with it. And again, the amount of times I've used this bag has been absolutely insane. In terms of other quality too, I will note this, sometimes in the interior kind of part over here, I'll come a little closer so you guys can maybe take a look and see, but this part over here is coming undone a little bit just because, again, natural wear and tear, but besides that, pretty much it's good to go. I mean, you can't beat it. It's pretty, I don't want to say it's brand new, but it's pretty well loved, but for the amount of times I've used it, it has held up, again, incredibly well. So how you could go ahead and style this bag is really up to you. I know some people put accessories, they put like a twill over here, kind of like the Hermes look to it. I like to keep mine relatively simple. I really do like this olive color. I think it goes really well with a lot of things. It kind of gives me, of course, like the French vibe, if you would, but a lot of times it's that very like preppy and New England looked. So I kind of tend to gravitate and wear this when I wear those outfits. Like today, this outfit, I'm going to work after this, so it's very muted, but I would wear this maybe with like a nautical sweater or something a little bit more kind of coastal. I really do like wearing this with some of those outfits. And again, you can wear it with anything. It's a neutral color. I would always recommend getting a neutral color in this. I know they have like a bright red and orange or whatever. That's fine. If that's what you want to do, absolutely. But this bag is definitely great for a neutral because it goes with so many different things. And again, I keep this as a travel bag if I'm walking around the city or whatever. It's pretty secure. I mean, you just zip it over here, and I'll always keep the zipper in front over here, but this is pretty much the bag. I mean, it goes with relatively everything. So some final thoughts on the bag. Is this worth your money? The answer is yes, of course it is. So again, I think I said this in every part of this video. It's held up incredibly well over the years, especially for the price. It is a designer bag that has held up more than any of my other bags for the day-to-day use. If you're looking for an all-weather, all-terrain, just kind of carry-all bag, this is your go-to. You can, of course, get the smaller one for more of a size preference, but I have never had a problem with it, either just being a ripping or staining or wear and tear, whatever it is. I really do think this is a good investment, and I think it always will be a classic. It always will be in fashion. It will never go out of style. It looks great with every single outfit. It doesn't scream in your face, you know, designer brand. It kind of, I hate we're using that word old money, but it kind of gives that in a sense too, like very kind of tapered down, muted, but still stylish at the same time. So I would definitely go ahead and look to invest in one of these bags. Thank you guys again so much for watching this video. Once again, my name is Madison Taylor. So sorry if you guys can hear the rain in the background. I know I hear it myself when I'm filming this. It is pouring outside. It's been like this for the entire week. It is so gross out. So apologize if you can hear it. And again, about the lighting, it's a little bit maybe more brighter than I usually have over here just because of how dark the room is, because it's pouring outside. But anyways, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. We're going to be doing more reviews. I have a lot more try-on videos, and if you like this, leave me a comment down below. I'll show you guys a few different ways that I actually go ahead and style this bag. Maybe some like coastal, I know the fisherman aesthetic is in, so I might pair that with a couple new of my outfits over here and just kind of show you guys how to go ahead and wear it. But thank you guys again for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. Take care now.